how to log out of Genshin Impact on PS5. Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Genshin Impact account on PS5. Whether you're switching accounts or just need to log out for security reasons, I've got you covered. First, make sure your PS5 is powered on and you're logged into the account where you can play Genshin Impact. Once you're in the game, we'll need to access the in-game settings to log out. Press the Options button on your PS5 controller to bring up the in-game menu. This will open up the game's main menu where you can adjust settings and manage your account. In the in-game menu, scroll down to the Account section and select it. Here you'll find options related to your account, including logging out. Once you're in the account settings, scroll down until you see the logout option. Select it to log out of your Genshin Impact account. You'll be prompted to confirm that you want to log out. Confirm by selecting yes. Once logged out, you'll be returned to the Genshin Impact title screen where you can log in with a different account or just exit the game. And that's it. You're now logged out of your Genshin Impact account on PS5.